Hey you guys, it's been over 2 months of the lockdown and today I have finally decided to go and visit the hills near my house. And as because it's been raining these days, there is a beautiful waterfall over there and I really wanted to visit that. So it's around 4 o'clock right now and obviously curfew is gonna start at 7. So I should go and return before that. Let's go. I'm still at home and I'm already like, I can't breathe. Okay, let's go. I slipped and fell down and my pants are completely wet. Like my hands were shaking. I fell down and I was just sitting there. I couldn't get up. Oh my god. I hit the bottom two sides of my palm which were swollen and green later. There's a little bump on my hand. I don't know if you can see. It hurts. It hurts. My hand hurts so much. So tired. So there is a pond up here. So I'm going to see that now. I don't know where is it. My hand hurts. It's getting worse. I got a mosquito bite. Oh my god. I even got cuts. Wait. Yeah. Like, there was some kind of grass and there were thorns I didn't know and I was climbing and I got cut. Okay. I'm so exhausted. No stamina, man. Where is this pond? I'm gonna go get a look. So like the pond is over there, but I don't know how to reach over there. So plan cancel. So we're just moving. Bye. So when it rains, it becomes very clear water and actually water falls from the side. Like so it's like a mini waterfall. Like there are many houses here nearby. So like they use the water from here. There are pipes and all. My god, how do you go there? Oof. Kak, 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 kak. They don't even fear. I'm like, what? Oh my god. So after climbing so much, I finally found a little better way. I don't know where I am. I got a view of the International Cricket Stadium of Barsapara from here. Over there. This is like so steep. Scared. It's like I can sit here and go whoosh. I was like huge rocks right in the middle of the road. Okay, so this is a hill. So like the road is in the middle of a hill. Oh my god, I was almost going to fall. From afar, I thought, wow, so much of like beautiful rock here. But then that looked like a cave to me. So I decided to go a little closer, but I was scared. So like I was getting the sound of the waterfall, but it was actually coming from here. Okay, exploring this cave, let's keep that adventure for some other day. That was not the actual waterfall. That was just a kind of waterfall that we found on the way going up. But like the actual one is like it has another way to go to it, and like we have to go towards the lower side because otherwise from top you cannot see. And I did not even find a pond. So well, it was quite an adventure though. We walked like 3 or 4 hills. Wow, I got stamina. And I just reached home and I'll be freshening up now completely. I actually took a lot of trouble to shoot this video. I almost died. So please hit the like button if you think that these dogs are really cute, and share it with your friends, and obviously subscribe.